The memorandum submitted by Meitei Tribe Union (MMTU) delegates to Reserve Bank of India highlighted the dire economic crisis resulting from ongoing violence in Manipur. In a press release issued by MMTU, the union has outlined significant disruptions to business and industry, stressing that many small enterprises are unable to operate effectively. The memorandum detailed the severe impact on the agricultural sector, with skyrocketing prices for essential commodities exacerbating the situation. Many local businesses are struggling to repay loans taken from banks and government sources. In light of these challenges, MMTU has pointed out the need for additional economic package to support affected borrowers. The union further urged the Finance Ministry to refrain from deducting GST and taxes until the financial conditions in the state improve. Moreover, they pointed out that transportation of goods along national highways has been severely affected due to violence and deteriorating road conditions. MMTU has also urged the Civil Aviation Ministry to reduce flight ticket prices to subsidized rates to alleviate difficulties faced by people during this crisis.